Linked list. The list interface defined within the Java collections framework defines the collection of ordered elements, which is also called as sequence. And this list interface supports the methods of adding, modifying, removing elements. In this program, as you see, we are importing this java.util.linked list statement or this library to use the linked list within the program. So the linked list is actually is one of the several types that implement the list interface. The linked list type is a abstract data type implemented as generic class that supports different types of elements. The basic syntax for creating one linked list object is like this: linked list, um, then the data type that you want to have access to. Now the object name equals to new keyword, then the linked list, and then which type, and this parenthesis without arguments. So this is the basic syntax. Now linked list supports various types of functions such as insertion of elements either at the end of the list or at a specified index. Okay, so let's see one example here. To the object linked list type that we have created, authors list, we are going to add these three values um, into the authors list. Now then, so after adding these three elements, so first element will be at index 0, second element will be at index 1, third element will be at index 2. So when you implement the add function like this, add one index and then one value, then this value creamy will go to the index 1. So currently in index 1 we have Penrose, so Penrose will be overridden with Greeny. So let me run the program. Okay, so first it is supposed to be overridden with Greeny. Now again, if you want to access one element at a proper index, then you use the get method. Get, and within the parenthesis you need to specify from which index you want to retrieve the element. Now the remove method, to remove an element from a specified index, just mention the index within the remove method parameter. Now if you want to iterate over the list, just need to use a for loop, use the size of the linked list authors list object, and just use the get function to have the author's name and print it like as it has shown over here. So in addition to all these functions, the linked list also have some other types of functions such as set function, add function we have seen, size we have seen, remove we have seen. So there are different types of additional functions in the linked list.